Oh, I have to be careful here. It's quite small. Wow. Not safe to walking here. This is like coming to Soviet Union.
The Cadillac motor car, whose supreme quality, inspiring performance, and breathtaking beauty, greatness, is never achieved suddenly.
Kerimäki, off we go. Yes, the fuel price is for us 98, the cheapest what we see in our trip. Now we turn right to Porosalmen tie. So we are heading to see this village, which is made with the sunken logs. So this man picking up the sunken logs from this lake already, I don't know, 30-40 years or something like that. Very long time anyway. And he building the whole village. It's a couple of kilometers more this road. You have some resorts, private resorts. This is a very special place. Today possible to go see that. Here is that water where they rafting logs for the mill. Mitä sinä sanoit? Wow. And here is some resort. I don't know where is that original log village, but we will see. But you see this view. Have some steamboat. I don't know, is it the new boat or old boat? Now they signed that Sunken log village is, I think it's there now. So now car is parking here, so let's go to see Sunken log village. And here is the entrance. Oh, someone driving with a car there. I think we can walk there. So this is closed. They open only July and June and August only for the, you have to book in advance. So we cannot see that. Then we just looking it outside and we're gonna fly some drone there. They're talking about some hidden guns from the Second World War. You see the machine gun and something like that. Anyway, this is very nice resort. I think we can see it if we have to walking up there to the hill. So let's go this way to looking what we can find here. So here he have stacked these sunken logs around here. He taking those up from the lake all the time and he taking it here and then he building some whole village there, many buildings. So let's walking, looking. So no entrance here. We try to find path where we can see there. I talking with a nice couple and they say they don't see it from here, from the hiking trails. From here we can drive our drone to looking a little bit from up what we see. get some drone footage from there because they don't open. So if they don't sell tickets to go in and we cannot pay money for them and go see the nice place, so we have to fly drone looking ourselves. So we don't want to violate anybody's privacy, so we fly very high enough from that place so you cannot recognize anybody's face or anything, and we just basically saw same image what you see from the satellite picture. So I think we can continue. That's it for this place. How was your first drone flight today?
I not do very good because that I scared for go touch anything there.
Okay.
So
Looks what's in the road. I think I have to little bit driving careful here.
there is a road for.
Yeah. Now we be here in a Savonlinna city market, and I get from post office new propellers for our drone because, as you remember, we in Palvanjärvi have a small accident with our drone, and now we book hotel from Ilomantsi, and there is the shortest way is 172 kilometers there, so we have over 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours driving, and we are going to take a little bit smaller road. We have plenty of driving today. Maybe we are 7 o'clock there in the PM. Yeah, this hotel 209 minutes, 189 kilometers. So let's go to Ilomantsi.
Yeah, let's go.
Kite 12, Lappeenranta 165. Mustaakultaa.net, blackgold.net. They sell some car, some railroad.
It's clear. They have red light there. Can see.
Yeah, but anyway, I don't trust buildings inside woods.
It also not have people. Not
Yeah.
even go hello in the somehow very good.
Yeah. For that one. Niirala, Wärtsilä. Ajetaan Wärtsilän. We're driving to Wärtsilä. They have a roundabout, but it's so small. Now we have nice road here. Tiny road. We see here some power plant museum. I don't know what it is. Let's go to check it. I think this museum it's for how they generate electric from river. They lock water, and you have to book in advance, and they open for smaller groups, so we can looking just from outside. I can looking inside from windows. Look over here. I don't know, I cannot take clear video here, but there is a turbines. This they make electric with like that. They turn with water or something. Water rotates them, and you see here have some equipments. And then let's see. I think we can walking up here. Yeah, and more turbines inside here, behind the windows. Yeah. Yeah, and here I have a newer power plant. Oh, I have to be careful here. It's quite small. Wow. Not safe to walk in here. But okay, I see a new power plant there. This is that kind of place, and we have still some power plants running, or maybe they can running just the water, not the turbines, but I don't know what they do. But this is the power plant, and this is the power plant, hydropower plant museum. Let's continue. Ilomantsi, Tuupovaara. We have still 70 kilometers to go. It's 5:40 p.m. This road is Via Karelia. Yeah, it takes us from the South Karelia to North Karelia. That area right side of us is very near of Russian border. It's maybe only a couple of kilometers, maybe only 1 kilometer. I'm not sure what is the closest point, but around. Yeah, this is very nice area. Have lots of forest and swamps and lakes, and it's a little bit changed. Forest type little bit changed already what it was in the Puumala area and Lappeenranta. And long straight roads.
Voi hilla suota tuskan nuolemaa.
North Star Hotel. Already we're driving past. We come from wrong way. The sign was there, but okay, then we have to go turn somewhere. So this is really small village, Ilomantsi. Yeah, here I have a road sign. North Star Hotel. Yeah, we come from forest side. So that's why the road sign was after the turn. This is like coming to Soviet Union. Yeah, we have lots of choice. This is our hotel, North Star Ilomantsi.
Go today.
Yeah.
After we can look
Where is the reception? They have new windows coming here, so they are investing more for their business. Okay, let's see. This is quite interesting. Okei. Meillä on niinku oma sisäänkäynti täällä.
Kyllä.
Joo.
Sitten on helpompaa päästä ulos ja sisälle. Kyllä.
Joo. Okei.
Saattaa vähän parempi mitä on tilaa, kun tässä on myös suihkuvessa.
Yeah, this is quite nice room for this small town, small village. Now we are going to check in Ilomantsi center and what we can find something to eating. There should be some couple of places open, but I think we just go buy something from the shop, and because we have microwave here and water boiler, we can do here ourselves. She thinking maybe she want to parking our car here. So, do you have knife to cut this tree? Yeah, we have to think about this. Have only a couple of pieces there.
We cannot.
This is quite weird place because everything growing, trees and grass. So let's looking around here a little bit. So here I have firewood, but she try to think about is it possible to barbecue anymore because it start to be quite cold, chilly here. And here is some building collapse, but have garages. Post boxes are closed with a sticker. Last people closed the lights. Let's take a car and this is Ilomantsi center. Here have some burger. Our center is left side. So let's take a small ride in Ilomantsi. 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 Paradisi on voittaa. That's about the Ilomantsi center. There is that roundabout. Now we park our car there because she's not happy. She want to leave it there. So let's go up in the room.
Greatness is never achieved suddenly.